Ice cream lovers, welcome to this session of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. Steve Christensen's my name. I'm the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, best-selling author. Look, a lot of other things that I can make up in my own mind, but I actually am all of those things. Sponsor this video, Classic Mix. They're an absolute classic. Nina, Wisconsin, Ted Galloway, Pat Galloway, Hank Galloway. Well, Hank's not a Galloway, but he wishes he was a Galloway. Their link is down below. Purveyors, manufacturers of custard bases, premium bases, gelato bases, sweetened condensed milk. Largest producer of sweetened condensed milk in the country, would you believe? Anyway, their link is down below. Give them some love. Click on that link, have a look at what they've got. Great supporters of Scoop School. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. A bit of a challenge this time of year. We try and do videos that aren't kind of date or time specific, so they can be general to anyone who watches it at any time of the year. But we're filming in September, and late August, early September, it's a bit of a hard time for ice cream shops. Well, why is it a hard time for ice cream shops, Steve? Well, I'll tell you, you handsome man. The reason why it's tough is because the season in a lot of areas of the country is still moving on, and sometimes it's kind of a toss-up as to whether you're going to get cold weather and you wind down for the end of the season. But in a lot of cases up to Labor Day and kind of into that late August, early September, a lot of stores are doing very well. But the downside is college starts up and a lot of your shift supervisors, shift managers, general managers are off to college. If you're going through that, or if you've been through that, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There seems to be this kind of time frame between, and it may be going to go for like 3 or 4 weeks, but you find yourself kind of down a manager or two. You're going to have to go in and do that managerial stuff. It's a bit of a challenge. So there's a couple of things you can do to combat that. Now, obviously, in the middle of the season, or even when you're hiring, kind of ask about how do you do college locally. Obviously, local college, community college, people that have that availability both in the summer and in the fall to be local is a great blessing in your business. So don't discount those kids. Secondly, I know people that actually reward shift supervisors who perhaps can delay leaving for a week or two. So that way they've got coverage to do so. And then finally, hiring perhaps some good seniors in high school. Now again, the process of starting high school for the year can be a little bit topsy-turvy, and a lot of students are starting sports and starting academic clubs. It's a tough time. I think the best thing you can do, honestly, is to predict that this is going to be a problem leading up here, so you've got some sort of contingency. Again, whether it be talking to college-age kids or preparing high school kids that perhaps can help in those supervisory duties along the way, because it's something, if you're just new to the industry, and we do have a lot of people who are looking to get into the industry or are in there for their first season, this time period hits them. They got through the season, they're happy with the sales, but now they're having a little bit of trouble with coverage on shifts. It's common throughout the country. Interested in your opinions and your experiences. Do you have college kids that head off to college? What do you do to backfill those managerial shifts? I'd love to hear from you. We have a great community following this channel. And look, if you don't read the comments, go through and read the comments. Just don't read the comments on the single phase versus 3-phase video. There's a lot of angry comments on that one. Thank you again to Classic Mix. They are a great supporter year round. They don't have people going home or going off to college. They are in that plant making mix, noses to the grindstone, milking cows, processing dairy 24 hours a day. I don't know whether it's 24 hours a day, but anyway, their link is down below. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Thank you for viewing. Let us know. Let's keep the conversation going. You've also got links there to go to Scoop School, follow us, subscribe. We'd love for you to be involved in more in our community. Anyway, keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next one.